Hi you guys, thank you so much for joining me today for my video. I'm so glad you're here. So I found at my local grocery outlet, I'm not sure if you have one of those near you, but they're so great for low cost groceries. So I found this carb conscious pancake mix, and way cheaper than making homemade keto pancakes from scratch. So this whole bag was $1.99, so $2. It makes 10 servings of 2 pancakes each. So really great. Each pancake has 2 carbs. It's very low in sugar, high in fiber. So I thought I would grab this mix and give it a try. So I will make these pancakes. I'm gonna make the whole bag to have ready for my meal prep for breakfast of the week, because I usually have eggs every day. I wanted to mix it up a little bit. So I'm gonna make this whole bag. I'm gonna try them at the end. Hopefully they taste good, because $1.99 for keto pancake mix is such a great deal. So my grocery outlet, they get these really great items, but sometimes they can't get them again after they're gone. So I wanna try these right away so I can go grab more of this mix before it's all sold out. So I'm gonna give this a try. Really easy. All you have to do is add water. So definitely can't beat that. So I'm gonna get these pancakes cooking. I hope that they're delicious. I will let you know, and we'll get it all going for the week.
All right, so I'm gonna use the whole bag of mix, and I'm gonna make all of the pancakes for the week. So I'm gonna pour the mix into my bowl, and for the whole bag, it just has the instructions on the back of the bag. So I'm going to use 1.5 cups of water with this whole bag of mix. So I'll just pour that in and stir it all up with my whisk. And it looks a little runny, but I think it'll thicken out. So I'll mix it all together, get any clumps out, and then I'm gonna pour it into my pancake batter dispenser that I absolutely love. It really helps not have messy pancake batter everywhere when I'm cooking these. So I will link this one that I got on Amazon. Really convenient, super inexpensive, and great to have if you're going to be making lots of pancakes on the weekends. So I will link that in the description. So I'm going to stir it all up and pour it into the batter dispenser, and I'm going to cook them on my stove on a little skillet, and then we will see how they taste.
Okay, so while I was cooking these pancakes, I was actually reading the packaging a little more. So this company, King Arthur Baking Company, they're out of Vermont, but it is 100% employee owned. So that's pretty neat. I am really glad that I got this and supported this employee owned company. Really great. And I did look, they are available on Amazon. So of course, if I can't get this anymore at my grocery outlet, I will definitely have an option to get it on Amazon. So check that out. I will put the link for it, the Amazon link, in the description if you want to check these out. But so I was looking at it further. So easy to make these. Just water, there's no added sugar. And it says that it makes 20 pancakes, but I definitely made a lot more than that. So, because I made them a little bit smaller. But anyways, I'm gonna give it a try because they look really good. Really good. Tastes like a regular pancake with regular full carb mix. Really fluffy and nice and light. So I'm gonna add a little, I use sugar-free syrup. I add a little syrup this time. These are actually really good. I'm very impressed because sometimes with a low carb mix or keto mix, it's kind of chalky, really like weird texture. So this has really actually tastes just like an actual real pancake, not low carb or keto friendly. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. Super easy to make, just add water. Really cheap, $1.99 at my grocery outlet. When I did look on Amazon, they were a little bit more expensive, but cannot beat all of these pancakes for $2. I am so excited. I'm gonna have these for breakfast every day this week. So now I'll portion it into my meal prep container so that I'm ready to go. After I eat the rest. These are so good. All right, so since I made a bunch of these pancakes, I'm gonna portion about 4 per container, so it's still gonna be about 4 carbs for the pancakes for breakfast. So I will just add them into my meal prep containers. And I have some extras, so I'll save those for the family. I have my little, these I use for salad dressing, cups for my salads, but I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar-free syrup so that these pancakes, they're just ready to go. In the morning, I will heat them up. I'll take my syrup out of the container, but I'll just heat these up and they'll be ready to go. All right, so now I have my pancakes portioned out, keto friendly, so easy to make. $2 for all of this. So this is gonna be 4 breakfasts ready to go. I have the syrup portioned out. So this is really great. I'm really glad I decided to get that bag of keto friendly pancake mix. It's definitely worth it. It was delicious. So I cannot wait to have these this week. A little change up from usually having eggs every day. So I will link, like I said, the pancake mix from Amazon if you want to try this. So good. And also link my little containers that I love as well, all from Amazon. So click subscribe to my channel if you're new here and click the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of keto, low carb videos, lots of healthy meal prepping. So click that subscribe button. I hope that you have a great day. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.